Welcome back to Kodemine. Carry here. So in this video, we will talk about what is the difference between Docker and a virtual machine. So for example, we are deploying our application into a VM and into a Docker, and what kind of process we follow if we use a VM. For example, we have a hardware, which means any server or any machine, and we have a operating system deploy on that. For example, we have a VM, which is a virtual machine installed there. We log in into that, and we are running our web application on that. For that, we need a, for example, Apache server or Nginx or whatever the backend programming language like PHP, Python or Node.js. That kind of language we need to install to run our application on VM, right? And we need a separate library, some services and some dependencies to run that application. So everything we need to install separately on VM, and also we need to take care of whatever version required for that, right? So that is a VM, right? VM is just a virtual machine. We need to install each and everything in case we need to run our application on a VM. On the other hand, if we talk about Docker, in the Docker we create just a container for a application. In the container we have each and every requirement, Apache server, or services or backend programming languages, libraries, whatever the third party dependencies, everything is available in the container. Or in the simple words, the container is basically a full-fledged development or a production environment for the application. We just need to create a container, right? And we just need to run that container into the Docker. So what the important thing is, on our hardware, on our operating system, just we need to do installation of Docker. After the installation of Docker, we just need to deploy the container, and that container we will run, and automatically our application will be up on that side. So you guys can see how much the Docker is helpful rather than a VM, right? Or we can deploy Docker on VM as well, right? So this is a difference between a VM and a Docker, right? So hope you guys understand the what is the difference between a Docker and a VM. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys have any query, question, just comment into the comment box and we will personally help you out. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.